Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have the right app version and edit permissions, because changes depend on access. Once done, open the project and select the item you intend to change. Create an edit snapshot so you can revert. Make sure autosave is enabled or set manual save reminders. This prevents data loss during iterative edits. You'll also note the original state, take a quick screenshot or export so you understand what changed and why as you proceed. You now execute the complex middle steps by applying incremental changes, not everything at once. This reduces risk. After each tweak, preview or run a small test and inspect logs to confirm outcomes. If a test fails, revert the last change. Make sure to document edits via versioning tags, comments, or annotations so collaborators understand the why and when. Once a sequence of edits yields the expected results, bundle them into a commit or save point to lock in stable progress. You finish by running full validation and then publishing or syncing edits to production. Make sure rollback points are intact before you push. Once published, notify stakeholders and update documentation so everyone knows what changed and why. Archive the edit snapshot for future audits. If something goes wrong, revert to the snapshot immediately, compare diffs to isolate the problematic change, and collect logs to escalate. This ensures fast recovery and helps prevent repeating the same error in future edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.